This 2024 Grand Design Imagine XLS 24 BSE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 28 feet 8 inches in length and features Sleeps 4, TV, external shower, microwave, oven, smoke detector, air conditioning, spare tire kit, refrigerator, stove top burner, skylight, and 37 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front living area, rear bath, rear bedroom, 2 entry, exit doors, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Imagine XLS 24 BSE is 5,923 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.